Hi, I'm Chris with TEXA, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of our new Marine Essentials kit. So as you can see, it does come in a rugged case. Inside the case, you'll see 2 rows of cables. We'll have our TXB. While being enclosed in a rugged case, you also have the ability to record live data with this. And we will have our Axone Nemo Light. The Axone Light comes with a Marine software installed on it, so it's ready to go as soon as you open the case. When you buy our Marine Essential package, you get access to 15 years of software development. Our marine diagnostics include inboard engines, industrial engines, as well as our diesel generators for marine use and personal watercraft. The Marine software provides interactive maintenance guides, visual and live data dashboards, and recorded drive tests. You'll also get access to built-in live wiring diagrams and maintenance resets like throttle calibrations and more, DTC tree diagrams, coverage on more than 90 manufacturers, and more than 3,000 model selections. The use of forklifts and other similar equipment can also be diagnosed using our off-highway software environment while being paired to the multi-hub VCI. Our Marine Essentials kit is composed of 12 different cables, including our main Marine cable, Volvo CAD cable, Volvo Mercruiser cable, Marine Volvo Penta cable, Mercury Mercruiser 2-pin cable, Mercury Mercruiser 4-pin cable, Mercury cable for communication, Marine Suzuki cable, Marine Yamaha cable, Marine Honda cable, Marine Evinrude cable, and our OBDM cable. Our Marine Essentials kit includes 1 year of TextBack updates, which is our software updates, and it includes 1 year of our TEXA Info subscription, which will allow you to submit new development requests. You'll also get access to our Monday to Friday tech support. That was the unboxing of our Marine Essentials kit. More information, you can contact our 855 number or visit any of our social media sites. Thank you for watching.